Hello YouTube, my name is Amulya and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video I'm going to show you how to increase volume, audio volume, sound volume in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. So let's get started. I assume that you already have imported your media. Now to increase the sound, the audio, you simply right click on the audio here and go to audio gain. Click on it, so left click on it, and then you put the number. And so number could be anything, let's say 5. I want to go 7, so I want to increase the audio by 7 dB and hit OK. So what happens when you run it, this should be just somewhere here, 12 and 6, between 12 and 6, and if you are there then your sound is going to be okay. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to decrease the volume and then play it. So you can see this is a little bit up here, and which is okay, I guess. So this is how you increase the volume. You'd also notice that these will increase as soon as you increase the audio gain. So this is how you increase the sound and audio in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.